guys, welcome to Top 5% Club. My everyday breakfast is overnight oats. I eat overnight oats every single day, and many of my friends actually ask me the recipe of that, and that's why I'm making this video. This is the actually different video than what I actually publish on my YouTube channel. So to prepare this overnight oats, what you require is you require raisins, you require bananas, then old-fashioned rolled oats. I will share the link in the description below. This is milk. You can select any milk. You can select almond milk or normal cow milk. This is peanuts, almonds, and then chia seeds. You can add other dry fruits also as you like it. So let's start with the process. So first step of the process is, so these are the peanuts. Actually, I brought it from the D-Mart and I have fried this. You can see this. Now I'm gonna grind it and I'm gonna convert it into the peanut butter. Now you can see that I have actually converted these peanuts into peanut butter. You can see the oil. I have added nothing in it. Just I took the peanut butter and I did grind it. So this is the peanut butter I have. Now what you have to do is, we have to add milk in this and then again grind it for some time, so that that peanut butter will mix into the milk and it will give you a better thickness. So take this milk, add into this peanut butter. So I have added little milk. I have extra milk also that I'm gonna add whenever it is required. Now this I will grind once again. Now you can see this got a better thickness. This is actually the milk I mixed with the peanut butter. Now the next step is, we have to just crush these bananas. And just do one thing, just crush this, use the fork and crush this. It will actually give you a very good consistency. You can actually, this banana will mix with the milk and it will dissolve in it. So tomorrow morning, next morning when you eat it, you will understand. So first step is, now take this banana, then in that you add raisins, then add chia seeds as you require. Then I have taken old-fashioned rolled oats. Okay, I have taken 3 scoops of it. So these are the scoop actually I use. So if you want to make for a breakfast, you can just use 2 or 2.5 as you require. You can try and mix it well, and then add this peanut butter and milk. Now mix it well. There is one thing we can see is remaining, that is almonds. I'll tell you why I have not added almond. There is a reason. Guys, I'm gonna convert these almonds into almond milk. So let's convert this. You can see this, actually the thickness of this almond milk. This is homemade almond milk. You can prepare at your home. Just crush the almonds, add some amount of water and then grind it for some time. You will get the almond milk. So I'm gonna add this into this. So see this. Mix it well. If you require, you just add little more almond milk, because it's gonna get absorbed by the bananas that you have added and the oats. So just mix it well, and what you have to do is cover it and keep it in the fridge overnight. See guys, I have not added any sugar, no honey, no sugar, no brown sugar, no jaggery, only bananas and raisins. And guys, mark my words, this tastes so good, and this is the healthiest breakfast you can ever eat. And I will tell you, you will never get tired of this. This is actually I made with the banana, but if you prepare with mango, it tastes so good. You can try different sweet fruits. You can try Chikoo, you can use banana, you can use mango. Also you can add some pomegranate and try the way you like it, and you will be happiest person in the world to eat this. Thank you guys, thanks for watching this recipe. If you like this recipe, please do not forget to try it at your home. And I feel if you waste your time in thinking about what to eat in the morning, and if you waste your energy in cooking and all, this is the best breakfast that you can ever eat, and this is the healthiest breakfast which I eat from past 3 years, and I do not get bored. I have mentioned in my previous video, I do not get bored with this. So follow this recipe and try it, because not only me, many of my friends said that this is the best recipe, this is the best oats that they ever had. You can add little amount of dark chocolate also, unsweetened dark chocolate, which will give you a chocolate flavor. You can add different fruits, and this tastes so good with mango. Guys, I have enjoyed mango oats in this season. So you can try with any fruit. You can add Chikoo, you can take pomegranate, you can add any fruit that you like, but it should be sweet and that you should like it. So try this recipe and please share with your friends, and if you like this recipe, please mention in the comment box. Thank you guys, thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.